Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show a 100% working workaround. If you're facing an error message while installing a Mac OS that this copy of the Mac OS application is damaged and cannot be used to install the Mac OS. So and this message appears right after when you click on install Mac OS on the Mac OS installation. So the workaround is you go to utilities and click on terminals and write date. It will show you the current date of the system. So just change the year and you can keep the same date as it's showing in order to resolve the problem. In many cases, I've noticed that even you fix it to the current date, it won't work. So the workaround is that you change the year of the date, put it for example 2016, and see again by typing the date, just to confirm if the changes have been reflected in the system, updated in the system. Then exit the terminal utility and go back to the Mac OS installation utility and try again for the installation. I'm sure it will work as shown in the video 100%.